Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Doc and today I'm showing you the 9th episode of building the best and most profitable crypto portfolio in 2022. So on last episode we were down pretty bad. As you can see, we're down almost 9% of the total portfolio, with only Bitcoin in the profit of 0.45% and especially the Sandbox down minus 17%. But we did some buys, of course. So in week 9 we bought 10 euros of Bitcoin, Ethereum, the Sandbox, Polygon and Chainlink as well in week 10, because I wanted to invest to 100 euros in every single coin before I bought new coins. And let's take a look at the results, guys. So yeah, as you can see, the results were amazing. We can see that Bitcoin is up 18% now, Ethereum is up 22%, which is actually insane. We got Chainlink being up 12%. We still got the Sandbox and Polygon not performing too well, like up 4% and 4.5%, but we're in the profit. If we take a look at the overall portfolio, we can see we have 21% in Bitcoin and 22% in Ethereum. We want to make them both 25% because Ethereum and Bitcoin hold really well in the bear market. So you always want to have a good amount of Bitcoin and Ethereum in your portfolio for if crashes. As you can see, metaverse and NFT, we only got 18%, so that's only the Sandbox. We want to up that to 30% because NFTs and metaverse is the thing I believe in, so I'm definitely gonna add some more. So at the end I will do the next buys, of course. And DeFi ecosystems like Chainlink and Polygon still rocking that 39% of the portfolio. We want to downscale it to 20%, so we're not gonna buy some ecosystems in the upcoming weeks. If we take a look at another number, like what if you just said, Doc, I don't like dollar cost average, I would have bought just Bitcoin, Ethereum on the 1st of January, then you can see that your portfolio with Bitcoin would have been 510 euros, or down 50% on a dollar cost average portfolio. With Ethereum, you would have been down 100 euros on the dollar cost average portfolio. And with Bitcoin and Ethereum together, like 50-50, you would have been still down like 80 euros on the portfolio. But what if, of course, you would have not just bought our portfolio with just dollar cost average Bitcoin and Ethereum? As you can see, dollar cost averaging Bitcoin, you would be up 30 euros on our portfolio, so it's quite significant. So that's like up 6%. If you would have bought Ethereum dollar cost average, you would have been up like 10% of our portfolio, or 50 euros. And if you would have bought Ethereum and Bitcoin together, you would have been up 8% on our portfolio. So yeah, but this is like the thing you want. Like you want to be as close to Bitcoin and Ethereum in the bear market and then try to overpass them. So it's you kind of want to make your alts lose less money during the bear market, because alts will go down harder as Bitcoin and Ethereum. And then when we go up, you want to be closer and closer and then overpass Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if your alts don't overpass Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're not good alts, of course. But yeah, guys, let's take a look at the market before we do the next week buy. So as you can see, we're sitting at a steady 2.14 trillion market cap, which is amazing. As you can see, on the 7 days, we got Bitcoin performing really well, plus 12%, Ethereum plus 15%. We got Cardano stepping up its game again, 23%, guys. Solana, I made a video, I talked about Solana in my top coins for April, already up 23% on the weekly, so definitely check that out as video as well. Other from that, we got Doge coins, we got the meme coins going up again, 18%, like Shiba. Like, if you guys want me to make a top 5 meme coins for 2022, of course, comment it down below. We got Kronos from crypto.com already doing really well as well. So we got quite some nice movement. We got Waves up 80%. I don't know what happened with Waves. If you know it, comment down below. But that's insane, man. Up 20 on the daily as well. So we got some nice, like Thorchain Rune. This was in my top 3 coins as well, up 46%. We got Sandbox finally coming with 10%. So we got some nice things this week. So the market is doing pretty well. Let's see what is the biggest change in the 7 days. So in the 7 days we got who's ruling Zilliqa. Whew. Silica is stepping up the game, plus 210%. Like, it's amazing. We got Stefan, we got Waves, Chiliz, of course, with the Chiliz 2.0 and a messing news, so that's really huge as well. And let's take a look at the 24. So we got Stefan. I don't know what this coin is. If you guys know, of course, tell me down below. But let's get on with what you guys want to see is the buys. So what are we going to buy in week 11 and 12? So in week 11 and 12, we're still going to buy 10 euros in Bitcoins and Ethereum because we want to make that 25%, but we're adding new coins. So MyNeighborAlice, I made a video about it. I think it's a really bullish metaverse NFT. So we're going to add 10 euros every week now for MyNeighborAlice. Then another big NFT metaverse game, Axie Inifinity, and its coin Smooth Love Potion, because Smooth Love Potion only has a 100 mil market cap, so it will pump really hard when Axie Inifinity pumps, but it will crash really hard as well. So it's kind of risky, but I think the market established a little bit, and also Axie Infinity got hacked, so they lowered the price a little bit. Not Axie Infinity itself, but it's like main market play. So this might be a golden opportunity, guys, not financial advice. If you enjoyed the video so far, hit that like button. If you made it so far, comment down, Doc, I made it, and your favorite crypto coin. Like, what is your favorite crypto coin? I really want to know. And of course, subscribe for more crypto content and YouTube. Until the next time.